It was just the mage
Anyway,
double
let's
lost
get the
log.
achievement.
Oh,
So-
I like that. Achievement run. Seconded.
Yeah, achievement run.
Let's do it.
Alright, we sprint soon. Daisy goes up on the bird. We can do a bit more down though. A little bit more.
Mystics up.
Alright, move now, move now, move now.
Yeah, my side should leave a little early. Just the Mystics. It's funny.
Yep. Okay, big damage on Mythic, guys. And keep in mind, they literally only made this damage in this fight ever as these Mystics ramping up, so. Okay, kicks, 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 kicks. Okay, our side, you are prio on Cagney. I don't give a fuck about your AoE DPS. Hit Cagney. Big damage on Cagney. You want to beat the one set that we had to delay for last time. Pump this fucking guy. Oh, these wall climbers on. Let's see. Okay, we have Rebel on our side. Healers on our side, please do the Rebel. Healers on our side, please do the Rebel. Good shit, guys.
Thanks.
DPS, you're cranking the bows. This guy's low as we can. Yo, you fucking Rain of Fires, I will literally kill you. Hit the boss with a cast bolt.
Are we missing a...
Nope. Only 3.
Okay, I can press red.
There's more.
Oh, wait, one more. New Rebel spawn. Drop him. Okay, boss is gone. Craig, guys on our side. Your guys' side, kill the Mystic.
The Mystic,
and then-
don't swap.
Yep.
Mystic is still not dead. It's dead.
Okay, now crank the boss. Make sure you keep kicks on the Mystic. Bird is coming to your side for the suck, by the way.
Mystics.
Hey, new Mystic's coming. Yep. Our side, crank this Mystic. Crank him hard, crank him hard, crank him hard. Try and push this before the boss comes back, guys. New guards as well. Don't fucking pad. Just hit the Mystic and the AoE.
It's not on my side.
Okay, Mystic's dead. Crank the boss.
Game like this.
Prio boss, our side. Prio boss. Okay, if we can...
Yeah, we're good.
It's fine. Get him as low as we can. We're gonna push
Leave,
to the
just
next
leave
one.
off of Cagney.
Yep. Big
Cagney.
damage on Cagney.
Starfault is cleaving. Yeah.
There's a Mystic.
Save 3 minutes. for
There's
the
rocks up shovel.
Actually, let's push. Keep rocking him, gang. Keep rocking him. Okay, new Mystic coming now. Get him as low as we can before he goes back, guys. Try and get him 30. Try and get him 30. Push and stuff. Get him as low as we can. He's gonna be about 34. Cleave him hard after you guys break Mystic Shield. I'm gonna try to skip one more Mystic. Ideally, we push in 20 seconds.
Oh my bad. I didn't see the one over there.
Peek your eyes on. Okay, we want to push in 15. You guys missing that? Yeah. Yo, crank the fuck out of the boss. Play to push, play to push, play to push. All damage. Second pot, everything. 8 seconds.
When you push, make sure to apply mortal wounds.
Mystics
Stop
up.
pushing.
Stop,
The
stop,
automatic-
stop,
Stop
stop,
him,
stop,
stop
stop
him.
boss, stop him, boss, stop him, boss, stop him, boss. Crank the Mystic here, guys. Everything on the everything on the Mystic, everything on the Mystic. Mystic, Mystic, Mystic. Got no fucking damage.
Let's go, you guys.
Yep, finish Mystic fast, guys. Okay, kill the Mystic and then push. Okay, we don't know what the case. We have immortal wounds over here. Grom, come to our side.
What?
Come to the middle. Come to the middle and instant
Just
run.
MS. Yeah, yeah.
Pushing now, pushing now. Just come meet him in the middle. We just pushed.
It's on him.
Good. Perfect. Alright. Yo, crank the fucking boss, pop cooldowns, spread your positions on the sheet. Don't fucking tank bust through the wall.
Clean up the ads too.
Don't worry about the guys too much, just leave them.
Starfault should take
Spread
care
your
of it.
positions. Careful with the spheres, don't
Take 2 stacks, let's see.
keep fucking cagning. My side soak, personal. My side soak. Okay, the boss is so low, we're fucking him. Second pot now. love these big old chinkies, guys. Okay, Glick side soak, or sorry, yeah, Glick side soak next. Glick side soak, and then we kill the boss, and then we go to the abomination wing or whatever with patchwork.
Yeah. Search report to blurred.
Okay, spread. Traffic come.
Good job.
I did not one-shot because
Fun.
Bro,
Good job, team.
I did maybe the worst altar time I've ever seen in my life.
Okay, we go.
Rash Hawk time? Rash Hawk time?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
got my mind on my money. So fuck.
Is any of the first wall or no?
Yeah, you probably.